Houston, we have a problem. I didn't even notice it. I guess I haven't really looked that closely at the wiring. Although this is the only spot where I see this occurring. And what I'm seeing is speaker wire that was the main feed for that jumped over to that one. We're not going to be able to do that. When we put it back together, I'll put junction boxes on the top, and then we'll just need short pieces of wire, and we'll have the proper wire going from one junction box to another, but we can't have that. So I'll be back when I get I'm just going to rip all this out, and we'll go to the original source of the power, use the correct gauge wire and junction boxes to put it together. Although I suspect there are junction boxes for these other ones. This one seems like an add-on to me, and I don't remember whether this one was wired into the center ones or not. I'm gonna hook one of the new lights up. I've taken two of them down, and I had the wires exposed at the junction box, and I was happy to find junction boxes up there because I found some speaker wire that scared me for a minute, and everything's okay now. But I thought to myself, why not grab one of the new lights right there, and I'm going to go on the internet over here because I can do that, And I'm going to get the information on these lights while that's starting up. I got power here. Oh, come on. Oh, it's starting up. Anyway, while that's starting up, I'll just show you. I got one of the lights hooked up, and it's replacing two fixtures. There was a long fixture where it's at and another fixture right here. So let's go flip those on and we'll see how much of a difference just one of those lights makes. Now, mind you, it's pointing that way and not straight down like the other ones are, but here you go. I don't know if you can tell or not, but that light, where the one light is up on the ladder, that corner is brighter than anywhere else in here. Also, I took a closer look, and if you look at the floor, I don't know how well any of this is going to come out on the camera, but the floor is kind of yellowy looking right here. And where the new light, where the new light is, it's white. So maybe you can see here, kind of yellow and dingy over there, brighter over here. And there's no way I can look directly at that. I don't know what that's doing to you. We'll find out when I edit. But we'll get some sheeting up. I'll get these other ones taken down, start hooking these up, and I'll check in once in a while and show you the difference that they make with them properly installed. The lights we are installing are the 90 watt - 130 watt. Those are the lights we're installing right there. I'm going to put you up here, and we'll use that light to light our product review. Ooh, man, it hurts to gaze upon, folks. Anyway, they sent me 6 of them all together. One's up there, one's right there, and there's 4 more in one of those boxes. It's a 130W 1-pack, energy saving linear high bay light, bright daylight, easy to install, 19,500 lumens. Well, I don't have my lumen meter with me, but I know that that one right there is more lumens than I want to look directly at. And they'll be all right hanging above me because I don't look directly at the light. But you can see, and they also come ready to plug in. I specified that I didn't want the kind that are ready to plug in. This is mounting hardware. I'm sure it's very cool and looks like it just slides in there and makes it easy to hang them. But I don't want to hang them. I want them securely affixed to the... What? That just makes you want to open it, doesn't it? Doesn't this just make you want to turn it? Aha. What's in there? What is that? What? I don't know, folks. Maybe we'll look at the instructions. I'll be back to tell you what that is. Another reason I have that going is I want to see if the case gets hot. I don't think they will, being it's LED, but I'm going to have this kind of wood on the ceiling, and before I go directly mounting to that, I want to make sure they aren't prone to getting hot. Only 2 came out. Oh, and then so it just slides in there. What is that? What is that for?
You need a dimmer switch.
Interesting. Let's see what that's for. Take a look at these too. Oh, no, you don't. Wow. Wow, look how long those are. So if you had a super high ceiling, you could use these. Wow. Those are pretty cool. I'm going to hang these up somewhere. Look right here. So you'd have 2 of these for each light, and these slide right into there. And then this, How bizarre. Oh, yeah, it's a one-way thingy-hoocher. Oh, it's a two-way thingy-hoocher. This is adjustable. That's pretty slick. I might be able to use that for something else. I'm not dropping these lights down. I want them obviously up as high as they go. Oh, I need my glasses, and I don't think I have them out here. I got one sheet of OSB up. I did find a way where using a tall ladder and a short ladder together, I can manage the sheets pretty well by myself. Why does that look crooked? I want them to look nice. There we go. All right, so I've got one of the new lights up. That one light is actually replacing 3 of these lights. There were 2 going that way and 1 going that way. No, there were 3 going along that way. Anyway, that 1.5 foot of light is replacing 8 12-foot of light, because I had one of those big ones and that short one on that bank. So I'm going to turn the center lights off, and the center lights I'm leaving intact and wired and everything. Those wires that are hanging down by the last light are where I'm going to have a hanging plug-in, because there's going to be an island right there and I want to have plug-in power at the island. But I'll turn these off, and there is the LED light. It's pretty obvious that it's shining over there a lot brighter than it is over there. So I'm real happy with it. I'm going to go ahead and mount the other 5. I'll put another one over there, put 2 in the halfway here, and 2 probably just this side of the garage door. And then I'll have 6 of those, 3 going down each side, and 3 lights in the center. These will just be kind of like extra lighting. There's some kind of dimmer incorporated into the lights. It doesn't really get into details with the instructions. I'll talk with the sponsor, I'll talk with the manufacturer, and see if I can figure out how to dim them there. If not, they're all wired into the same circuit, so it may just be easier for me to put a dimmer switch right here. Anyway, yeah, huge difference. I like that. That's a good clean white light. I don't know how it's going to be for filming, but if it's not good, then we'll use those for filming. Anyway, that's it for me for today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, subscribe, share, keep coming back, comment, and ding, click the notification bell. Peace out.
Your planet is really bright.